Let's make Lumpia Shanghai.
Today we're making something every Filipino kid has a memory of, lumpia. The crunchy, savory egg roll that never makes it to leftovers. Now this isn't just food for me, this is family, childhood, a tiny bit of emotional damage. Because when I was 8, my Lola tricked me into becoming an unpaid lumpia intern. I was basically cheap labor, or free labor. Let me show you how it all went down, and how to make the best lumpia of your life. Alright, here's all that you need. Shrimp, some ground pork, green onions and carrots, spring roll wrapper, red onions, garlic, Whittier mushrooms, soy sauce, Knorr seasoning, and oyster sauce. Okay, let's build the filling, which is the perfect time to put on a feel-good music.
The filling is done. Look how beautiful that is. Smells so good. Now the fun part to making lumpia is rolling it.
I remember Lola had everything prepped up, waiting on the table. She smiled and said, "Anak, help me roll a few lumpia." Just a few, huh? A few turned into like 87. Now, here's where the betrayal happened. She said, "Roll 50 pieces and I'll give you something special." Me, I thought, yo, I'm about to get a Happy Meal. I'm about to get a new toy. I'm about to get paid. You know what happened? She paid me 5 pieces of cooked lumpia, but it was so good. I took the deal every single time after that. I got scammed by my Lola. I like using coconut oil to fry, because that's how we used to do it in the Philippines. And the food tastes amazing. And it's also a healthier option. As a kid, I thought rolling lumpia was punishment. Now it's kind of therapeutic, like edible origami. Plus it reminds me of those afternoons in her hot kitchen, fans blasting, me sweating my butt off, while she told me chismes about the neighbors. Just like Lola used to make it, except I didn't have to roll 90 of them first. So yeah, maybe she did trick me, but she did teach me love, patience, and no matter how many lumpia you make, you always run out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hug your Lola. And if she ever bribes you with lumpia again, just say yes. See you next time.